So today I'll be showing you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. Now, the main reason you might want to be resetting this is because you've forgotten the password, PIN, or pattern, and you're kind of locked out of your tablet and you just want to gain access back into the tablet. Now, the only way around this is to do a hard reset. Now, we're going to do a hard reset via recovery mode because, of course, we cannot get into the tablet to do a normal soft factory reset. So what you need to do is grab yourself the data cable and a computer. Okay, so it has to be a working computer which is on, and you need to connect the two devices via a data cable. Now the cable that comes in the box of your tablet should work just fine because that's a proper data cable. But of course, you can use any data cable as long as you've connected to the tablet to the computer. Now, the next thing you want to do is do a button combo. So we're going to put this in recovery mode. So we're going to long press the power and volume down buttons to force a shutdown. And as soon as it shuts down, you're going to switch to volume up while still holding the power button. And then as soon as you see the Samsung logo as the phone is starting up, let go of the power button and continue holding volume up. And hopefully that's going to boot the tablet into recovery mode so that you can proceed with the hard reset. Okay, so press and hold, power, volume down. Let's just make sure the screen is on. Okay, power, volume down, press and hold. Just keep holding, ignore what you see on the screen. Just keep holding, keep holding, keep holding. There you go, screen goes dark. I'll count to 3, switch to volume up while still holding power button. I'm just waiting for that Samsung logo now. There you go. Then I'll let go of the power button and continue holding volume up, and that should put the tablet in recovery mode. Now you might have to try 1 or 2 times in case you don't get it right the first time, but that is basically how to do it. Now inside recovery mode, you scroll using the volume rockers. So volume down will scroll down and volume up will scroll up. And basically what you're looking for is wipe data / factory reset. Once you get it, select using the power button, and then it's going to tell you this will wipe all your data. Now keep in mind that this is a hard reset, so it's going to wipe all your user data. So all your photos, videos, all your accounts are going to get erased. Okay, so confirm. So scroll down to factory data reset and confirm using the power button, and that's going to wipe all the data from the tablet. You can see at the bottom here it says data wipe complete, so that means our factory reset is complete. Now make sure reboot system now is highlighted, and then press the So once the tablet restarts, it's going to take you back to the original setup screen. Now you can unplug your cables and keep your computer away because now it's time to set up this tablet afresh. Now keep in mind that because we did a hard reset and not the normal factory reset, we actually did a hard reset without the password. It's going to ask for the credentials of the Google account that was on the tablet before we did the hard reset. So during the setup process, at some point, you're going to be asked. So I'm just going to quickly go through the setup process. And keep in mind that you should set this up manually because if you try to transfer data, it's going to ask for passwords. You don't want that. So you can already see it says an unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to factory settings, connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now, as soon as you connect to Wi-Fi, it's going to ask for that Google account. So I've connected and then I'll hit next. Now it says getting tablet ready. And now it asks us to draw a pattern. But remember, this is a pattern we forgot. So what you need to do is now tap on use my Google account instead. So tap on that, and then you'll have to sign in to the Google account that was on the tablet before all this happened. So I'm gonna sign in quickly. And once you sign in, now you've unlocked the tablet, and now it's going to ask you to sign in with a Google account you want to proceed to use the tablet with. At this point, you can actually skip this process because we've already verified we are the owners of the tablet, and now you can continue with the setup process and you can set it up all the way. Just go skipping all this stuff and just skip all the way to the end. And you have actually regained access back into your tablet, even though you might have lost your data. Now, if you had previously backed up your data, then this would be a good time to now bring it back onto the tablet by restoring the tablet, because you already now have access to the tablet. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, you can talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.